I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon and like the video. As you people saw the preview, it's trending on Instagram right now, so I thought why not give it a shot, so I bought the tutorial. So let's begin the video. Open KineMaster, click on New Project, and select 9:16 ratio, and import the clip which you want to add at the beginning. This is the video which I will be editing in today's tutorial.
I've got no roots from my home.
After importing the clip, add music. If you don't know how to download music from Instagram, you can watch my video. I will leave the link in description, or you can see the link popping up there. Now you need to mark the point where the clip should freeze. After marking the point, stop at the point where you marked the point and select the clip and click on trim and click on the split and insert freeze frame. This option will help you in automatically freezing the clip and provides a photo of the exact point and separates the extra clip. Now delete the extra clip. Now come to start and check if the freeze frame is accurate or not. Yes, it is accurate. Now select the photo and go to color filters, go to monochrome and select the second filter and click done. After applying color filter, once check the entire clip by playing it. Okay, the entire clip is perfectly edited. Now we need to add text. So select the photo, go to layers and select text option and type the text you want. Now select the font you want and set the text according to the clip. Now repeat the same steps with other clips. Yeah, that's it with the tutorial guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.
I've got no roots from my home.